Hello farmers, hello everyone. So today I want us to learn about how you prepare or how you make a multi-story corn garden. A multi-story corn garden, from the name, is one of the techniques with vertical farming whereby you form layers and then upwards you form something like a cone-shaped garden. So in between the layers, this is where you plant your crops or your vegetables. So what do we need? We need a polythene. You can do a polythene. You can have a polythene. That one that is used for construction. And then you can have a binding wire that will use it to join the polythene. Then you will have, of course, you will have well-drained soil. Then you will have manure, well-decomposed manure. Then you will have your seedlings. Then thereafter you will have a tape measure because you will be measuring. So you keep on filling the soil in between the layers. You form layers, and then at the end you will form something like a cone. So between the layers, it is around 3 inch. That is where you plant your vegetables all around the layers. So that is why it is called a multi-story corn garden. So after filling in up to around 50 layer or 60 layer, you form the multi-story corn gardens. This is how they will look like. Then now you will bring in manure, well decomposed manure. I prefer goat manure, and then you put it on the layers or around the layers. Then you can also do the sacks, as you can see. After doing that, and you make sure that you are doing this when your seedlings are about to be transplanted. For my case, I did spinach, the food of giant spinach. You can see it is ready for transplanting, and then I transplanted it all along the layers, leaving a 15 centimeter spacing from one seedling to another. So make sure your seedling is vigorous, it is healthy, so that you will have a good harvest. So after planting the seedlings, after like 2 weeks, your seedling could have taken up the nutrients, and now they have started to grow. So after 2 weeks, after you have planted, after 2 weeks, upon finishing, this is how your seedlings will look like. So you have planted, and then you have waited for like 2 weeks. This is how your seedlings will look like. This is after now 2 weeks. This is how they will look like on the multi-story corn gardens. Remember, I've used just simple polythene that is used for construction. So after like 2 weeks, this is how they will look like, and then in 4 weeks time they will be ready, almost ready to be harvested. This is after 4 weeks. And then so you can start your harvesting from the 5th week. You can do the first harvesting, and then now you can bring in some kales, that's sukuma wiki, and you plant it in between the gaps. So this is after 1 month. So this is the end result. This is how your kitchen garden will look like. It will have developed. The crops are ready for harvesting, and then after that you will keep on harvesting, and you could have developed a very good kitchen garden. So keep on sharing, and thank you for listening and learning with me.